Once upon a time, in the heart of a beautiful forest, lived a small bird named Chirpy. Chirpy was known for her sweet voice. Every morning she would sing melodious songs that echoed throughout the forest. One day Chirpy met an old owl named Wisey. Wisey was known for his wisdom and knowledge. Seeing Chirpy's passion for singing, Wisey decided to teach her languages of animals. With Wisey's guardians, Chirpy learned to sing in the languages of the other animals in the forest. She could chirp like a cricket, roar like a lion, and even buzz like a bee. Chirpy's songs became even more beautiful and enchanting. The animals in the forest looked forward to her concerts every day. They loved hearing their languages in her songs. The story of Chirpy teaches us that learning new languages can help us understand and appreciate other cultures better. It also shows that with passion and hard work, we can achieve our dreams. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.